Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Welcome to another live broadcast, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install your own septic tank and soakaway. So is it worth installing your own septic tank and soakaway? How easy is it? Is it cheaper to install your own septic tank and soakaway rather than getting someone else to do it? And if so, how do you install your own septic tank? How do you install your own soakaway? Well, that's why I've made this video, because I'm going to show you. So let me just give you some examples now of some septic tank and soakaway installation projects, right? All right, so here we go. Here's a low profile septic tank being installed. You can see it there. Here's an example of an onion shaped septic tank being installed. Here's another example. Here's a concrete septic tank being installed. Here's another example of a septic tank being installed in the Caribbean or America. Here's some guys finalizing the installation of a concrete septic tank there. And here's the installation of a sewage treatment plant. All right, so yes, lots of different examples here of different types of septic tanks and septic tank installation. So, which septic tank should you install, and could you do it yourself? Well, the answer is yes, right? So, I heartily recommend that you go onto Google and you type in septic tank and soakaway kit. Now, the reason I'm saying that to you is because here's an example of one here, and you can buy them now based on the number of bedrooms that you've got. So whether you've got 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 8 bedrooms, you can now buy a complete septic tank and soakaway kit. So let's say you've bought your septic tank and soakaway kit. They're probably going to cost you, I don't know, depending on the number of bedrooms, they start off about 1,500 quid. But the point is, you'll save 5,000-6,000 quid straight away by buying your own septic tank and soakaway. But I'll show you more about that in a minute. But let me show you how easy they are to install. Okay, so let me just get this up. Where are we? All right, so let's say that you've decided where you're going to put your septic tank and soakaway. So it's really, really easy. So this is the principle, right? First thing is you dig a trench. Now this trench will obviously come from your property, your house, your workshop, your shed, whatever. So you just, first of all, you just dig a normal trench, just like that, okay? Standard 150mm trench, just like that. Now, then once you've done that, right, you then dig a hole for the septic tank. So let me see if I can find that. There you go. So next you dig a hole. It's as simple as that. Take about 40-50 minutes to do. And this hole here is where the septic tank is going to go into. So let me put the tank in the hole for you. Okay, so there we go. Just like the picture we saw, didn't we? So this is a typical low profile septic tank. So if I just do it from the side, this is what it looks like from the side. Let me just put the profiles on here so you can see it a bit clearer. There we go. All right, so that's what it looks like from the side. All right, and so basically from the trench, you would put in the pipe from the property would come down the trench. Let me just turn it around and show you there. So that would be your pipe from the house. Let me move that along so you could see. All right, so these pipes are standard 110mm. So there you go. So your pipe will come from your house and it will just slot straight into the inlet pipe of the septic tank. It really is that easy. It's just a case of really digging some holes here, right? So once you've done that, right, once you've dug your hole and you've put your septic tank in, what next? Well, the next thing to do is here, where you can see I've outlined it here. You dig another hole here, and here you put an inspection chamber. So let me put the inspection chamber in for you. There we go. It's just a standard 360 or 460mm inspection chamber. And then you just connect a pipe from the septic tank to the inspection chamber. How easy is that, right? How easy is that? All right, so once you've done that, it's then time to do the soakaway. Now, there's loads of different soakaway products out there. Personally, I'm biased because I like to use the latest technology, and septic tank soakaway crates are the latest technology, right? So so what you do, you dig a little hole, all right? And then once you've done that, you literally, right, put some crates in it. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And septic tank soakaway crates are amazing because they're very strong. They can come up to like 65-ton bearing load, so you can drive over them. And they are very shallow. You know, I mean, take you probably about 15 minutes to dig the hole here for the septic tank soakaway. And, you know, they last about 80, 90, 100 years. And, you know, they're about £5 cheaper than putting a herringbone system in. Building control love them. So once you put your crates in, you then just run a pipe straight from there into the crates. Okay? It's as simple as that. And once you've done that, you then cover the crates over with a special membrane, just like so. And that basically stops the soil getting into them. So if I just zoom out a bit now, okay, so there you have it. That is basically how to install your very own septic tank and soakaway. It really is that easy. If you have always wanted to use a digger, or maybe you're confident using a digger, take you about 2 hours, something like that, to put all this in. Okay, no concrete, no electricity. You know, it's really as simple as that. You can use this video if you want as a guideline to do so. So typically, if you get a firm in, they will charge you to supply and fit anywhere from 8 to 12,000 quid, maybe a bit more depending on the number of bedrooms you got. A septic tank and soakaway kit, right, will cost you. Let me show you. All right, so let me show you this. So let's just go on to here. Let's say you went for the 1 to 2 bedroom one. There you go. 1499. That's all that they are at the moment. Because of the COVID-19 problems and stuff, they're reduced at the moment to help people. Every little helps, right? So what do you get with a septic tank and soakaway kit? Well, you get 5 times 3 meters of underground pipe, single socketed, so you haven't got to worry about connections and stuff like that. All done for you. You get the inspection chamber you just saw in the video. You get a heavy duty low profile septic tank, which means they don't need any concreting. There's lots of tanks out there, but you've got to concrete them in, whether they're onion tanks or low profile tanks. But I only sell the heavy duty ones because, you know, you can save yourself 800 to 1,000 quid by not having to concrete it in. And you also get the septic tank and soakaway crates, and you also get with it free membrane. So there you go. So that's my tip for the day. If you'd like to save yourself 8 to 10,000 quid, and you'd like to install your own septic tank and soakaway, that is how to do it. Right, take you a couple of hours, and you'll have fun doing it. So listen, thank you very much for watching this video today. If you'd like to see more free help, more free videos which offer free help and advice, and just go to, where are we? septictank.co.uk. Let me just come out of here and go back to here. Look, there we go. Let's try that again. There we go. Oops, get off technology. Oh man. Let's try. There we go. Got it. All right. So if you want to see more videos like this that offer free help and advice, then just go to septictank.co.uk, or you can go onto Google and type in Septic Tank TV. There you'll see my Septic Tank TV channel on YouTube. If you're subscribed, you can be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soakaway kit. So listen, once again, thank you very much for watching. You take care, and I'll speak to you. For more information, just click the link below this video, or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.